bounce. White base again, hit the white and red. Jello, this time alternating, but before you do your set, what do you think is the purpose of the outground? Actually, sinisimulate natin yung distraction kapag basa yung kamay. And napansin mo, it's slippery, nawawala yung control mo sa bola. We want you to be comfortable with discomfort. At the same time, it is rated to strengthen your forearm, at the same time your fingers. Kaya every time you do your dribble, make sure to really pound the ball well.
Oo, pwede. Kaya nga up natin.
Pound, then cross. There you go. Give me 10 each. You count that. Oh, I want you to struggle talaga. If you can do cross na lang, stay with pound lang. There you go, guys. Maintain the swag, Jello. Yan! 2, 3, yes.
So, balik ka doon ng color, then doon ka lang mag-react. Green. White. Blue. Yellow. Red. White. Blue. Red. Blue. Green. Hindi yung bola na pakontrol. White, then red.
Red, white, red, white.
Inside, kung i-cross tayo, okay, make sure hindi mo siya matatamaan. Tapos na ito kung bakit lower. Para mas maging sharp yung pag-cross mo. Okay, so dito yung arm mo sa cross.
Pound, backward cross, backward cross.
So magmanipulate sa bola.
Yan. Pound. Lower the ball, Jello. Too high, Jello. We call this zone dribble. You can use this dribble, attacking tight spaces. Okay, every time na mag-split ka ng defender, you can use this dribble. There you go. Nice one.
Hair gels pa rin tayo para mas mag-improve yung pag-hair out natin pag-cross.
You're dragging your body when you bounce. Para mo kinakaladkad. I want you to jump a little bit or lift. You're like this, oh. Dapat ganito siya. There, pattern. When you break the ball, there you go. Back your hips.
Idadagdag naman natin pagka-crossbound. Pagka-crossbound natin, pagka-crossbound, idadagdag naman natin si partial through. Then, crossbound, then partial through. Then partial through, step in behind. Oh, cross line pa rin yan. Cross 5.
Isang footwork finishing to na you can use in game. Medyo risky to, very powerful. We call this extended stop. Para ma-execute mo sa extended stop, you're going to land with your inside leg first, then outside leg. So, ulit naman nakaturn si coach doon, then inside leg, outside leg. So, makikita mo, nag-shift yung body niya from this position. Once nag-step na yung inside leg niya, piniprepare niya ng body niya to turn, then jump, both feet. There you go. This time, give me inverted extended stop.
So, outside and next?
Yes, sir.
Nice one.
Give me extended stop, 3 outside, 3 inside.
Pwede.
Keep. Tapos,
Nice one. Cross down. Cross. Cross.
we're going to add green. When you see color green, you're going into extended stop. Kapag red and blue, inverted extended stop. So, dalawa lang. So, that's it. Right? 4 pa. Go! Mo pa. Yan! Yun! Yan! Para makita rin ni Jello. Jello, kita mo nagbago yung part. Jello, you feel that? You feel that? Yung ginawa mo? Pero natin may improve yung flowing dito mo in their shot. So I'm just gonna do a drop footwork into my shot. So drop, step in, shoot.
Bakit sa video?
Oh. Drop, step into shot. Oh, again. Wider. Wow, center. Again. Natin na progress. Okay, before we go into your shot, we're gonna do a counter drop. That's off the line. If it turns green, take your shot. Pag nag-blue, counter tayo sa ground into shot. Kapag nag-red, counter drive. Green, isa pa. Take a beer. Go. Yes, sir. Higher. Boom. There.